Good morning friends, my name is Hardik Soni. As you all know that India is called the land of saints. Many great saints have been born in India from time to time. In last few years, some such exceptions have also born in our country who have spoiled the name of India in the whole world. Before presenting them in front of you, I would like to remind you the main duty of a saint. Alright? So the main duty of a saint is to show the right path to all his disciples. Now, first I would like to present Nirmal Baba, who was from Samana, Punjab. He was also known for a TV program, The Third Eye of Nirmal Baba. He befooled lots of innocent people, collected money from them and ran away. Now there is no sign of him. Nobody knows what kind of Baba he was. It was his famous statement that Kripa aegi. No one got his Kripa, but he got lots of money from the innocent people.
आपके शो में सुना था।
हमारे शो में सुना है ना, अब हमारे ही शो में फिर सुन लो कि वहां जाके आओ, तुम्हारी वहां एंट्री हो चुकी है, कृपा बहुत आनी शुरू हो जाएगी।
Secondly, I would like to present Ram Rahim Baba, who was born in Ganganagar, Rajasthan. He was the head of the Indian social group Dera Sacha Sauda and a convicted rapist and a murderer. He also collected lots of money by befooling innocent people. Now, I would like to introduce all of you to a great funny Baba who has become popular amongst the people just because of his funny remarks. Let's see who he is. Yes friends, you are absolutely right. I am talking about a great funny Baba Aniruddhacharya. He was born in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. A unique thing about Baba Aniruddhacharya is that having been married, he became a Baba. What reasons could have been behind that? Maybe it seems to him there is a lots of money in this line. Whatever, I don't know. Okay, leave it. Friends, if you eat any biscuits, then please stop eating the biscuits, because it contains poison. Hey, it is not my saying, but it is saying of Baba Aniruddhacharya. If you do not believe me, let's have a look.
बिस्किट का मतलब क्या है? विस्की किट। विस मतलब जहर की किट मीन्स बिस्किट जिसमें विष कूट कूट के भरा हो।
You know that Baba Aniruddhacharya is very intelligent and very genius in mathematics and logical calculations. I think that nobody can defeat him in mathematics. If you want to be sure, let's have a look.
जैसे हमारा नाम है शुभांकर, हमारा नाम है, हमारे नाम में 10 अक्षर है
तो 10 अक्षर हैं।
हाँ,
तो गुणे 4 कर दीजिए,
40 हो गया।
40 हो गया। 40 में 5 जोड़ दीजिए,
ठीक,
45। 45 में प्लस 45 और कर दीजिए,
90।
90 को 8 से भागित कर दीजिए,
मतलब 11 8 88 होता है।
88 89 90 2 अंक बचा, वो 2 है राम।
Once Baba Aniruddhacharya crossed all his limits in front of the audience. Actually, he gave a unique solution to the public to get children quickly. I cannot explain this unique solution in my own words, but you can get this unique solution in this video clip. Have a look.
गाय को गेहूं खिलाओ और फिर वो गेहूं गाय के गोबर से बाहर आएगा, उसे धुल करके 4 बार 10 बार गेहूं को पीस करके उसकी रोटी बनाकर भगवान को भोग लगा के खाने से जिसे संतान नहीं होती उसे संतान सुख मिलता है गौ माता की कृपा से।
One day, Baba Aniruddhacharya told the importance of cow dung. Baba told that cow dung is very useful for your skin problems. If you use cow dung on your face, you will never get any skin disease. It is not my saying, yaar, but it is saying of Baba Aniruddhacharya. If you do not believe me, have a look.
आपने कभी गाय के गोबर से अपने मुंह को धुला? नहीं। केमिकल युक्त फेस वॉश आप यूज करते हैं, लेकिन शुद्ध गाय का गोबर, इस गोबर से नहाने से चमड़ी का कोई भी रोग हो, मैं गारंटी लेता हूं, चमड़ी संबंधी कोई भी रोग हो, आप गऊ के शुद्ध देसी गाय के दो गोबर से स्नान करेंगे तो आपका चमड़ी का रोग समाप्त हो जाएगा। इतनी ताकत गोबर में है ऑलरेडी।
One day, this Baba asked such a question to a little boy that nobody could understand. But when Baba told the answer, everyone got surprised. Do you want to hear this question? Have a look.
70 में क्या जोड़ें कि 17 हो जाए? फास्ट।
माइनस के 53।
अरे माइनस प्लस नहीं लगेगा यार। माइनस आप जोड़ना है, घटाना नहीं है। हम बोल रहे हैं जोड़ो, प्लस करो, माइनस नहीं करो। 70 में क्या जोड़ें कि 17 हो जाए? जोड़ना है, प्लस करना है, ना कि माइनस।
पता नहीं।
आपने क्या बोला? माइनस कर दो। माइनस नहीं करना ना। बताओ कैसे होगा? हाँ, क्या जुड़ जाएगा?
पता नहीं।
हिंदी से लिखो 70 और फिर हिंदी से लिखो 17, आ की मात्रा जुड़ जाएगी। 70 में क्या जोड़ दें कि 17 हो जाए? आ की मात्रा जोड़ दो, हो जाएगा।
Friends, I have seen so many Babas in my life so far, but I have never seen such a funny Baba. I am not against of this Baba, but I am just thinking how a Baba can say this kind of funny words in front of the audience. Anyway, it seems to me that nobody can stop this Baba from doing all this. Soon we will meet in the next video with an interesting topic. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.